welcome to another recipe video. I'm sure every one of us would love to eat Black Forest cake. So here is a simple recipe to prepare the yummy cake from your own kitchen. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and do click the bell icon. I hope to see you every time when I upload another video. So let's get started. I've taken a 6-inch cake layered into 2 parts. Each part drizzle some coffee syrup and add a layer of whipped cream. I've used instant whipped mix for this recipe. Basically, that's the only ingredient that you need other than the cocoa sponge. I dip with whipped cream and let it refrigerate for 20 minutes until the ganache is prepared. For the ganache, I have melted some milk chocolate with whipped cream, and once it sets down to room temperature, pour it along the sides of the cake using a There was some freshly brought berries in my kitchen, so I just topped the cake with some berries, and you can do this with any freshly cut fruits of your choice. And that's it, the cake is ready. Do try it out and let me know if this recipe came out good. See you all in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.